Hello, I'm Christopher, and I'm the inventor and owner of Speaking Access. If just before we get going, if you can find us at speakingaccess.com. So in this video, I'm really excited to show you the audio dictating. Back 3 years ago, when I started on this journey to invent Speaking Access, I wanted, after a whole bunch of experimentation, just decided that the best way to do this was with an audio interface. In other words, you could dictate an email just using your speakers and like in your headset or a microphone. And that is what the technology is based on. So with the dictating, there's two ways that you can dictate to Access. There's through the post mode, and that we'll go into that later. But the first way is for simple things, for when you're in a document or pretty much anywhere the cursor is, you'll say this print command, and that's for the basic stuff. So I'll just go show you that to begin with, and then we'll go into the post mode and write a new email and go through how we do that. So let's have some fun. Show WordPad.
Document WordPad window. Rich text window. Edit multi-line blank.
Page up key.
Blank.
Print how are you doing today? Question mark.
Uppercase. How are you doing today? Symbol question mark.
Select
Print.
line.
Line
H.
selected.
How are you doing today?
Right key.
Selected. Carriage return. How are you doing today? Unselected.
Print, it can also take care of punctuation, period.
Uppercase. Can also take care of punctuation symbol period. Printed.
Enter key. Print comma.
Symbol comma. Printed.
Print period.
Symbol period. Printed.
Print hyphen.
Symbol hyphen. Printed.
Print, you get the point, period. Print, you get the point, period.
Uppercase. You get the point symbol period.
Enter
Printed.
key. Print, you can also do uppercase and lowercase letters, period. Print, capital C.
Uppercase. C. Printed.
Enter key. Up key.
Blank.
Like, as we were saying, we're developing. I know how to fix that. Print, capital R.
Uppercase. R. Printed.
Print, capital C.
Uppercase. C. Printed.
Spacebar.
Space.
Print the letter L.
L. Printed.
Print the letter N.
N. Printed.
Enter key. So you can see where you can use that. So I think it speaks for itself. You can control. It spoke for itself. It's not when you get more complicated or when you start breaking sentences apart, you start running into problems because we've made the sacrifice to have it on the computers through Windows 10 speech to text, and it's not internet based. The speech to text can be limited in like proper nouns, like proper names, like the city near you that you think it would know but it doesn't, or a name that is not familiar with. So you do make a few sacrifices. I'm still very happy with the way it is, but you just have to keep an eye on it for nouns. And anyways, let's get into writing an email, eh? Before I gab you to death. You're here to hear a program, not me. Access. Was that funny? Probably not. Access. Was that funny? Select all.
How are you doing today? Can also
Up key.
take care of how are you doing today?
Select 4 lines
How
below.
are you doing
Down 4
RCMN
lines selected.
Delete key.
Carriage return.
New mail.
Post
Inbox
mode is
Outlook
now
mail.
ready.
Mail window. Reading pane grouping. Reading pane grouping. Addressing grouping. 2. Edit blank.
So now we're going
So now we're going.
close post mode.
Main task area. Ready.
So now we're going to go in and we need to use, there's a command that you'll find under post mode commands. Post mode commands.
Now in
Speaking
post mode
access.
commands. 4 items in
Paste
list.
box commands.
Now in paste box commands. 5 items in list. 1 access clear. 2 access no spaces. 3 access undo.
Close menu.
Main task area. Ready.
So we need to do the, I was just showing you where the no spaces command is. We need to do the, we need to show the program where to send the email to, right? The email address. So we've gone back to, I've said show access. If you're using a screen reader, sorry, I just have to scratch my nose. You don't have to use that process. Open post mode.
Post mode is now. Ready.
Test speaking access @ sign.
Test speaking access symbol at sign.
Okay. Speakingaccess.com.
Speaking access telecom.
Speakingaccess.com.
Speaking access symbol period com.
Okay. Access, no spaces.
Done eliminating spaces.
Switch program.
Inbox Outlook Mail. Mail window. Reading pane grouping. Reading pane grouping. Addressing grouping. 2. Edit blank.
Post. Select line.
Line
T.
selected.
Test speaking access at speakingaccess.com. Selected.
Right key.
Blank. Test speaking access
Are you there?
at speakingaccess.com.
Or either.
Unselected.
Close post mode.
Main task area. Ready.
So it was self-explanatory. I just put it all together in the paste box, eliminated the spaces, dropped it in the two boxes, and selected it so the screen reader could read it out without the spaces. So now we need to get down to the subject line. I think it's 2 tabs, so just bear with me. Next key 2 times.
CC BCC button.
Next key.
Subject edit blank.
So it's next time. Print. The snow is falling here too, period.
Uppercase. The snow was falling here too symbol period. Printed.
Next key.
Document page 1 blank.
Select all.
Sent from mail for Windows
Delete
10
key.
selected. Carriage return.
Didn't want to put
Selection
that
removed.
sent mail thing in there. So now we're in the main subject line. We need to write the email. It's to my Aunt Martha to tell her about the snow here. Show post mode. Show access. Navigate programs.
Task view window.
Right key.
Running app. Speaking
Enter
access
key.
row 1
Open post mode.
Post mode is now. Ready.
Dear Aunt Martha, comma, new line.
Dear Aunt Martha symbol comma command new line. Up.
The paste.
Just gonna move
Running
the mouse
applications.
so that it's not distracting me.
Just can remove the amount so that's not from.
Dear Aunt Martha, comma, new line.
Deep Dear and Martha symbol comma command new line.
Dear Aunt Martha, comma, new line.
Dear Aunt Martha symbol comma command new line.
Access words.
Word 1. Dear. Word 2. Aunt. Word 3. Martha.
Thank you, Access.
I am paused.
So Access just said it. She's paused. And if I give her a command, she'll make this beep. Access time. So that just means it's paused. So every time I say something, I'm going to start with hello Access to kick her out of pause, okay? So we got Dear Aunt Martha up there. So say I want to check, because it's an audio-based program, there's no, if you're not using the visual cues, you can't tell the difference with homonyms or with capital letters. So that's where the word box comes in, is that by using the word commands, you can locate it on a word and have it spelt out and check to see if it's a homonym. That's one way, and then I'll show you the faster way. So let's just go check to see ant, how it's spelled, and see if it's capitalized. Hello, Access.
Speak to me.
Access words.
Word 1, dear. Word 2, ant. Word 3, Martha.
Access word 2.
Word numeral, 2 ant.
Access letters.
Capital A. U. N. T.
Proofread word box.
Word box reads. Uppercase, dear uppercase, ant uppercase, Martha symbol comma command new line. Dear, D-E-A-R. Ant, A-U-N-T.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Access.
I am paused.
So what we did there, for the first time we just did it manually, went in and spelled it out by just saying access words and all that. And then the second time what it does, when we said proofread word box, it went and it located, first it read through it, and to tell you if it's capitalized, the commas and stuff, and then after, if there's any homonyms in the word box that it's reading, once it's gone through all the spelling, like once it tells you it's uppercase, the letters and the punctuation minus the hyphens, because that's really annoying. It'll tell you the homonyms. We have a list of about 300 homonyms it goes through, and then it spells it out. So we both know that it was deer was a homonym and ant was a homonym. So let's go move on, shall we? Access. Oh, we've already got a new line in there. So hello, Access.
Ready, set, go.
Yes, it is snowing over here as well, period.
Yes, it is snowing over here as well, symbol period.
Okay. The last time you were over here.
The last time you're over here.
Okay. I do not notice if you.
I do not notice if you.
I do not remember if you noticed.
I do not remember if you noticed.
Okay. The
That make it.
The big maple tree out on.
The big maple tree out for them.
The big maple tree out in our front yard, period.
The big maple tree out in their front yard, symbol period.
The big maple tree out in our front yard, period.
The big maple tree out in our front yard, symbol period.
Okay. Thank you, Access.
I am paused.
Just a reminder for the people that I am using this to debug, so I have found a bug. I'm working on the pastebox so that you don't have to worry about the punctuation. And I've just got one last piece of little code that I've got to make sure when you come together with a blank space that it makes the case uppercase. It sounds complicated, it's not complicated, and it is complicated, if that makes sense. But when we're done in March, it'll be fixed. Because I want to make it as predictable as possible. The only one you always have to keep honest is homonyms and pronouns, as I said before. I just want to repeat myself to make sure we get that. So we continue on. Hello, Access. Hello, Access.
I am here and ready to rock and roll.
Access read.
Dear Aunt Martha. Yes, it is snowing over here as well. The last time you were over here, I do not remember if you noticed the big maple tree out in our front yard.
Well, all the branches are covered in snow, period.
Well, all the branches are covered in snow, symbol period.
All the branches are covered in snow, period.
All the branches are covered in snow, symbol period.
Okay. The weather is starting to warm up.
The weather is starting to warm up.
Okay. And the snow is melting.
And the snow is melting.
Okay. Period.
Symbol period.
Okay. Access last two sentences.
All the branches are covered in snow. The weather is starting to warm up and the snow is melting.
So if you are walking underneath them.
Sort you are walking underneath them.
So if you are walking underneath the branches.
So if you are walking underneath at the branches.
So if you are walking underneath.
So if you are walking underneath.
So if you are walking underneath the branches.
So if you are walking underneath the branches.
Okay. At the wrong time.
At the wrong time.
Okay. Then you're going to get a lot of snow on yourself, period.
Then you're going to get a lot of snow on yourself, symbol, period.
Okay. Access new line.
New line added to paste box.
Talk to you soon.
Talk to sync.
Talk to you soon, comma, new line.
Talk too soon, symbol, comma, command, new line.
Talk to you soon, comma, new line.
Talk to you soon, symbol, comma, command, new line.
Okay. Christopher.
Christopher.
Okay. Thank you, Access.
I am paused.
So you'll also notice that when I say OK, it makes one noise to say that it's gone to the paste box, and when I post, it makes another noise to basically say it's done that. Just wanted to put that in there. So now we'll move over back to the box, and I'm not going to send it. I'll just post it there. You'll get the point, because I don't need to fill that up with a bunch of stuff. So let's get back to the mail. Hello, Access.
Are you seated comfortably? Then let's begin.
Switch program.
Inbox Outlook Mail. Mail window. Reading pane grouping. Reading pane grouping. Document page 1 blank.
Post. Select all.
Dear Aunt Martha, yes, it is snowing over here as well.
Proofread selection.
Uppercase. Dear uppercase. Aunt uppercase. Martha, symbol, comma, command, new line, uppercase. Yes, it is snowing over here as well, symbol, period, uppercase. The last time you're over here, uppercase. I do not remember if you noticed, uppercase. The big maple tree out in our front yard, symbol, period, uppercase. All the branches are covered in snow, symbol, period, uppercase. The weather is starting to warm up and the snow is melting, symbol, period, uppercase. So if you are walking underneath the branches at the wrong time, then you're going to get a lot of snow on yourself, symbol, period, command, new line, uppercase.
Sorry.
Talk to 3.
So anyways, you get the point there, down key.
So many ways to get the point there, down key.
Thank you, Access.
Up, thank you, Access.
Close post mode.
Main task area. Ready.
Down key.
Christopher. Dear Aunt Martha, yes, it is snowing
Stop
over
reading.
here as well. The last time you're
Stop
over here,
reading.
I do not remember if you noticed
Stop
the big
reading.
maple tree out in our
Stop
front
talking.
yard.
I still get the commands confused too. So anyways, that just got the point across, I think. I would just have to send that. I just got a little confused, and for the people that are listening, I was looking at the screen, just a little confused about something for a second. And of course, when I proofread it like that, if you ran into any capitals that weren't in the wrong place, like after a comma or something, if it gets through, that's where you fix it. That is how the speech-to-text works on Speaking Access, and there's a lot more features in there that you can do, that wraps it up. I really appreciate you listening. I really am proud of this, and thank you for letting me show it off. And if you want to get a hold of more about the program, then the best way, I think, and I'm suggesting, is to go to the website and fill out the subscribe there. That way, no matter what platform we're on, you can find us. But you can find on YouTube and LinkedIn. That's where and especially the blog. I think you got all the information now. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
OBS Studio.